everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about Lucas test. Before getting into Lucas test, you have to know what is the function of this Lucas test. Using this Lucas test, you can able to distinguish between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol which given in the lab. So before getting into that, you may know that what is Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is nothing but it is a mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated hydrochloric acid. Please remember that it should be concentrated hydrochloric acid. Instead of that, if you use dilute HCl, it is not become workable. So Lucas reagent is nothing but it is a mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated hydrochloric acid. So as I said earlier, it is used to distinguish all the three types of alcohol. It is primary, secondary and tertiary. So before getting into that, I will tell you what is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is nothing but the OH group is connected to a carbon which is directly connected to one carbon. It is primary alcohol. Whereas in case of secondary alcohol, OH connected carbon is connected directly to two carbons. That is secondary alcohol. In case of tertiary alcohol, OH connected carbon is connected to three carbons. That is tertiary alcohol. So primary alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent. Whenever you see anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl in the arrow mark and alcohol in the substrate side, then you may identify that this reaction is a Lucas reagent test reaction. So when primary alcohol reacts with the anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl, this OH part and the hydrogen part of HCl will go as water. This hydrogen and this OH will go as water because H and OH will go as H2O. So the remaining part, this chlorine is substituted as because of OH, right? You can write that RCH2Cl. Remember, this hydrogen and this OH will removed as a water. It is an example of a dehydration reaction. This chlorine is substituted by this OH, right? In case of secondary alcohol, the same will happen. Anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. This is Lucas reagent mixture. Whenever there is an alcohol substrate and anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl, you may identify this as a Lucas test. Again the same, this OH part will be replaced by this chlorine part. This hydrogen and this OH will be removed as a water. Again repeating the same for tertiary alcohol also. For tertiary alcohol, again reacts with the Lucas reagent. The hydrogen and this OH of alcohol will go as a water. This chlorine will be substituted in case of OH. Instead of this OH, this chlorine will get substituted, right? So this is primary alkyl chloride, this is secondary alkyl chloride, this is tertiary alkyl chloride. So in case of primary alkyl chloride, turbidity appears immediately in the test tube, whereas in case of secondary alkyl chloride, turbidity appears after 5 to 10 minutes, whereas in case of tertiary alkyl chloride, there is no appearance of turbidity. Turbidity is nothing but there is a formation of like cloudy like appearance in the test tube, right? From these reactions we can identify that whether the given alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary. Remember that Lucas reagent is nothing but it is a mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. The easy way to remember this is whenever the substrate is alcohol and the arrow mark represents, or in the arrow mark there is a presence of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl, then the given reaction will be the Lucas test reaction. Thank you.